Hey, Elizabeth, what does a lion say?
Roar.
Oh, good job, Renee. What does a dinosaur say? Dinosaur, yeah. What does a cow say? What does a doggy say? What does a kitty cat say?
I got one.
Pick it up.
What does a kitty cat say, Elizabeth? What does a giraffe say? Yeah, where'd she go? She just disappeared. Oh no. Hey, Elizabeth. What does Renee say?
What?
From below the table. Elizabeth, what does Mommy say?
Blueberry.
Mom says more blueberries? No, what does Mom say?
What?
What does Daddy say?
What?
What Daddy says more. What does Elizabeth say?
What?
Elizabeth, what do you say?
That I already told you.
Yeah.
That I already told you.
Hey, Renee, what does a shark say?
What?
No, tell me what a shark says.
What?
How does a shark say doesn't? Oh my goodness.
Too silly. What does the blueberry say, Elizabeth?
Hey, Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, can you say more?
That's more. Very good.
job.
Renee, can you say more in Spanish?
What?
No? Okay, that's too silly.
Not too silly.
What?
Elizabeth, do you have anything else you'd like to say on camera? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What?
Bye-bye.
Can you blow kisses?
What?
That's not a kiss, that's a roar. Good kisses.
Oh, good kid.
What?
Mwah.
What?
You blew kisses, so you get more blueberries. Blow a kiss and you get blueberries.
So much cuteness. Bye-bye.
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 They have a more blueberry.
That's all that really matters.
Two blueberries.
Rah, 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 rah.